Hey guys, this is video on the Assault Fitness console. This console is the same as for the Assault Runner and the AirBike Elite as well, which is this one here. If you have this monthly service warning reminder coming up, you do have to service these machines regularly. Just at least look over them, give them a vacuum and a clean out. But to clear this message, if you don't want the message scrolling across the screen, what you've got to do is press and hold the enter button and also the start button at the same time. So if you press and hold both, and then it will come up with this, let this scroll across the screen. So it says clear service intervals. That'll just scroll across the screen, and this is saying yes. If you do hit the up or down arrow, it's saying yes or no whether you want to reset it. Obviously we want to reset it. So you can just hit enter, which will select that. And then this is a bit of a formality here, but you do have to change this, go through the rest of these settings to complete it. So 12 hourly or 24 hourly time frame, AM or PM, you can press this up or down. Go like that, press up for the time. This one's about, it's 1:30 here. So I'll go up to there, 1:32. Hit enter to save the time. And then from there, this will give you the time in minutes of how long the machine's been running for, or how long it's been actually in use for. So you can get that for data, so if you can work out the average speeds people are using it, or even just how much the machine's being used for serviceability reasons. Total miles, this will only read in miles, but it'll give you the total miles since it's been brand new as well. That's in the console's done, or the machine's done with this same console. And then from there, this will give you the software version. And then you're back to the start here again. To get out of this mode or setting, you just press the stop button and just make sure all the LCD lights are illuminated, and it comes back to this ready screen. So then you know that when you do hit start, or if you leave it and then your clients come and hit start, it's actually going to work. Or even just to make sure, you can even just press and hold the stop button, and then you know you're doing a full reset like that, and that'll come up. If your battery indicator light comes up when I do that full reset, if I press and hold it again, you can see the battery indicator light here come up. Obviously battery's in the back, so you just want to take off the rear cover. Watch out for these covers, you might break these clips, but this one here you can normally just undo with your fingers. Just undo that, and then you'll have the batteries in there that you can replace. And sometimes if people do sweat on these screens a lot, you do find the terminals on the battery on the top and bottom may be rusted or corroded as well, so you want to watch out that people aren't sweating too much on the console. You might spray a bit of silicone spray on the battery terminals, on those metal parts that touch the positive and negative on the battery with the batteries out, and this will keep the battery terminal or battery cradle metal pieces from corroding or rusting away. Thanks.